So I was recording then, and then I went to check, and it's not. Now it is. And I've put the mic up here on the door so that I can... Right, I've got some cumin and a beef burger this time, not a lamb burger. I'll just sprinkle that over the top. Some garlic salt, because I don't know why I like garlic. And some coriander. These are my staple things. I can smell that garlic. And then what I'll do is I've got some bottled water in there. Add a pack of this, and I just vegetable biriani. Oops. I like doing this. It's nice and it's tasty, that one. And what's it got in it? Basmati rice, carrot, potato, pea, tomato, onion, salt, biryani spice, clove, coriander, cumin, fennel, star anise, bay leaf, garlic, sunflower oil, cinnamon stick. I'm not too keen on cinnamon. Black peppercorn and saffron. But because I like adding just that little bit more spice, I put my own stuff in it. My chopping board. I'm really shaking today, I don't know why. Ugh. I'm hungry maybe. I am. It's really windy outside. See, this is just, nothing's turned on, and I'm just putting it all in here so it can just go low and slow again. And I'll put the hemp, milled or shelled hemp seeds. That's what it is. I just stick them in there. And the flax seeds, milled organic flax seeds. And just put a handful in there. I am hungry. Very hungry, I can tell you that. I don't know why. I haven't been eating like one meal a day, I think. Put some more black peppercorn in. Oops, sorry. Peppercorn. And some salt. I have not been eating any, you know, like cakes and biscuits and things like that. And even when I went to the shops the other day, I ignored all the sweet stuff. And I think it's doing me a lot of good, because I feel a lot looser. How can I say? I am beginning to shake, and it's probably because it's the withdrawals symptoms. And the only sugar I do have is in my coffee and tea. And I have plenty of them every day. But anyway, we'll put this on low and slow. And then what we'll do is we'll put the broccoli in there. And the avocado, I'm just going to have it raw, put it on the plate. Low. Oh, get a match. This is working. Get a match. Just, ugh. I'm shaking, and I can do without this hassle. Put that there. Oh, bloody things on. No, the bloody thing. Look. There you go. What was that? Not working. Oh, for goodness sake! What's wrong with this ring? No, my matches won't work. What's wrong? Oh. Do without this. Come on. I'm gonna just heat up and stay on. Stay on. Yes! It stayed on! Move this out of the way. Blow myself up. And make sure these are cut up small so that we can put them into the rice as well. You have the stalks as well. Oh, the other day when I went to the shops, I think my sister is really lucky. I don't know, you know, you get these people who everything goes right for them all the time, and it doesn't for me. We're complete opposites. And we went to the shop a couple of days ago, I think. She took me there, and it was really very kind of her to do that. But when we went, there was no problem whatsoever. There was hardly anybody in the shop, and they didn't have any kind of like restrictions or anything. It was nice, it was decent, and it was like the shopping of old, and I loved it. I was a bit nervous about going to start with because I didn't want to do all this masking up and everything. It was horrible. Horrible to think that. Anyway, and then when I went yesterday, the first time in my van, I took it for the first time. I don't know how many weeks, 3 weeks I've been in this van and I haven't moved it. And I took it down there and there was a queue, a bloody great queue. Put it over in the corner so that I'll turn this up. I don't want a stodgy mess like I had the other day. So we'll do that. What I'll do is I'll swap them around. Put that on the road. Cut this up. This avocado, and let's hope and pray, say a little prayer, that it's not bruised. And that can go just on the plate. It's marvellous the way nature makes things though, don't you think? And this comes from a little seed, and then all it has is a great big nut. Wow, that's lovely. Look at that. Nice one. So what I do is I scoop all that out with my spoon, and then I put it on the plate, and then mix it in with the rice as I put the rice on top of it. So, oh, lovely. But I'll eat that all in one. I won't save it for tomorrow. And the other one I've got in there, I'll just have it before it goes bruised. I'll take that out. Look at that. It comes from a seed. An avocado nut. Shall I plant it? It's fantastic, isn't it? Everything that plant needs grows in that, and I'd love to have a garden that I can grow these things in. I used to have one, and I used to have lovely plants growing in it. But never mind. Here's your money, make your choices. So what I do, I scoop it out, and I'm going to try and not drop it on the floor when I'm doing this. But you just scoop it out. And then chop it all up and say thank you, fruit, for giving me the abundance of your energy, your vitamins. I've said in one of my previous videos that it is a proven fact, scientifically proven, that when you bless your food, don't want that in there, do we? When you bless your food, the intention of you goes into that food and it changes the chemical composition of it. So that's why it tastes better. Just thank the animal that gave its life. And always bless it before you cook it. You know, when plants have been known to feel things, they've attached like probes to them. And if you come into the room with a secateurs that you've been cutting the garden with, the plant will feel that. It will sense it or taste it. I don't know what it does. And its alarm bells go off. So if you just say thank you for this food, it seems to accept it. It's fate. I'm not going to go into all that, oh no, I don't want to eat meat and stuff like that, because we'd end up eating nothing, would we? And I love food, I do. All food apart from peas, beans. I've got peas in that rice, haven't I? Raw tomatoes. I'll eat cooked tomatoes. There's a bit of a bruise in there. So yeah, this is doing as my thing. I don't want that to be a stodgy mess. That's not doing fast enough. I'll turn it up a bit. I'm going to do this one as well. I do like living in this van, but you know, there are certain things that I find a bit difficult, like washing your clothes and going to the toilet, but they're just basic needs really, aren't they? Human needs. You've just got to find a way around it, that's all. At the moment, what I'm doing is just washing it all by hand. They're just doing it the old grandma way. This burger needs to go up now. Let's swap one over. Is that on? It's not on. Oh shit. Well, it won't blow up because I think this has had it, isn't it? No, it hasn't. Look, you watch, the flame will go out as soon as I put it down there. Don't know why. Maybe it's this. I don't know. Put it down there. Ugh. I thought that was so cooking. Why aren't you bloody working? Oh, does anybody know why this isn't working? I can't do with one bloody thing. Come on, it's gotta work. See? That's cooking now. Stay on. No, I can't do this. Come on. Oh. I just have to hold it down, won't I? Just don't take your hand off it. And the reason why you cut the broccoli up so small is so that it cooks well. Cooks quick with the rice. Hold on, right now. Can anybody help me with this? Ow! Back. Oh, I've got to put my hand in there. Look. Yes. Hold on. It's still on. Yay! Oh, right, let's put this back. We don't want fat going out everywhere. It's still on? No, it's gone off. What did it do? Oh. Maybe it just needs that to be open. Damn it. I can't sit there and hold it all the time. It goes on, it's just when I take my finger off the button it goes off again. No. Oh, it's annoying. What's going on again? Sorry about this. It's all gone wrong again. I'm so hungry. I'm fed up and bored and irritated. I'm trying to learn and get my certificates, my CPD certificate, and do this and live a lifestyle I'm not used to really because of this bloody COVID thing. I know it's an inconvenience, but you know, I have my thoughts about this bloody thing. Right, messing me off. This is the avocado. What I'll do is I'll just rice out. On top of it. Look what has happened to that bloody bowl. Over on top. There you go. Nice. You've seen that, haven't you? There you go. Need some red in it, I think.